This question tells us that in the figure below, triangle BCD is a right triangle. And it asks us, what is the measure of angle CDE? Here's angle CDE. It's an angle that's outside of the triangle, but kind of attached to it. And we have triangle BCD, which is named after the different points in the corners of that triangle. And we can use what we know about a couple of different ideas in geometry to be able to find the measure of that angle that was shown there in purple. One idea we're going to use is that the inside angles of a triangle, when you add them up, always equal 180 degrees, no matter what the triangle looks like. Secondly, we're going to use what we know about supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. And we have both supplementary angles and we have a triangle here that's going to have inside angle measurements that are going to add up to 180 degrees. These two ideas we can use to solve this problem. So we're trying to find angle CDE, shown here in purple. Right next to that is this angle shown here in red. Now we can see that these two together make half a circle, so they're supplementary angles. And if we can find the measurement of that red angle, we can take and subtract that measurement from 180 degrees, and we will know what the measurement of that purple angle is, CDE. How do we find the measurement of that red angle? Well, we're going to find the inside angle measurements of the triangle. So we need to find the other two angle measurements. This one here, shown in yellow, 56 degrees. We already know that one. And we need to find the measurement of this other angle shown here in blue. If we know those two, we can add them together, subtract it from 180 degrees, and then we will know what the red angle is. And then we can find out what the angle that is shown here in purple is as well. Well, what's the measurement of that angle that's shown in blue? CBD. Well, the question actually tells us that. It says, in the figure below, triangle BCD is a right triangle. That means that one of the angles in this triangle is 90 degrees. The only one that comes even close to looking like a 90-degree angle is this one right here. So the one in blue is 90 degrees. And the one above it, in yellow, is 56 degrees. So 56 plus 90 plus the measure of angle BDC is going to equal 180 degrees. Let's add up 56 and 90. If we add those two up and we subtract it from 180 degrees, then we're going to know what that red angle is. So that's going to be 6, and 5 plus 9 is going to be 14. So 146 degrees. That's the measurement of the yellow and the blue angles together. Now let's take 180 degrees, which is the total measurement of the angles inside of a triangle, and subtract from it 146 degrees. Now we need to do a little regrouping here so that we can regroup those 8 tens and make them 7 tens and 10 ones. So we can subtract those 6 ones and have 4, and 7 minus 4 is going to be 3. 34 degrees. 34 degrees is the measurement of this red-colored angle. And now, since the red angle and the purple angle together are supplementary angles, we know they're going to add up to 180 degrees. So if we take 180 degrees minus 34 degrees, we'll be able to find the measure of that purple angle. Let's regroup once again. The 8 tens into 7 tens and 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 7 minus 3 is 4, and 1 minus nothing is going to be 1, 146 degrees. So the measure of that purple angle CDE, is 146 degrees. When you understand this concept and you feel comfortable with it, go ahead and try the practice problem that's been grouped with this problem on the homework quiz for this week.